In this video, we'll go over the 5 best cryptocurrency to buy right now. These are crypto assets with the potential for high returns in the near future. Remember that, like with any investment, you should conduct your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Without further ado, let's get into the video. 1. Algorand Algo. Algorand is a blockchain-based platform that seeks to create a decentralized, safe, and scalable platform for conducting transactions and running decentralized apps, dApps. Silvio Macaulay, a Turing Award-winning computer scientist and MIT professor, created it. One of Algorand's distinguishing aspects is the use of a novel consensus technique known as pure proof of stake, PPS. Unlike traditional proof-of-work (POW) systems, such as Bitcoin, in which miners compete to solve complex mathematical problems in order to validate transactions, Algorand employs a system of validators who are chosen based on the amount of algo, the native cryptocurrency of the Algorand network, they possess. This enables more efficient and speedier transaction processing, as well as enhanced security and decentralization. Scalability is another important characteristic of Algorand. The platform employs a method known as sharding, which allows for parallel transaction processing. This implies that as the network's transaction volume grows, so does its capacity to handle them promptly and effectively. Furthermore, Algorand employs a mechanism known as atomic swapping, which allows for the exchange of many types of assets in a single transaction, allowing for the development of more complicated financial instruments and dApps. Smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the conditions of the agreement put straight into code, are also supported by Algorand. This enables the development of a diverse set of dApps, including decentralized exchanges, DEXs, lending platforms, and supply chain management systems. Another significant component of Algorand is its emphasis on security. To maintain transaction privacy and security, the platform employs a variety of cryptographic approaches such as threshold signatures and multi-party computing. Furthermore, Algorand has been carefully verified and approved by third-party security experts, raising the network's security level even further. Algorand has a significant community and ecosystem of developers and partners in addition to its technical features. The Algorand Foundation, a non-profit organization dedicated to the development and expansion of the Algorand network, collaborates closely with developers, academics, and other organizations to build and promote the platform. Algorand has also collaborated with a variety of organizations, including the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, the Kean Foundation, FIFA, and many more. The Algorand network's native token is Algo. It is used to pay transaction fees, participate in the consensus process, and get access to different network features and services. It may also be used as a store of value and is exchanged on a variety of cryptocurrency exchanges. The price of ALGO at the time of making this video was $0.229344. It's also accessible on all of the main exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase, MEXC Global, and others. 2. Polygon Matic. Polygon Network, sometimes known as Matic, is a Layer 2 scaling solution developed on top of the Ethereum blockchain. Its goal is to use a sidechain technology to deliver rapid, low-cost, and secure transactions for decentralized apps, dApps. The Polygon network is made up of a series of interconnected sidechains known as Polygon chains that are protected by a validator network. These validators are in charge of ensuring the network's security and integrity by checking and processing transactions. When compared to the Ethereum main chain, the utilization of sidechains allows for parallel processing of transactions, resulting in quicker and cheaper transactions. Polygon's capacity to support several consensus mechanisms, including POS and POA, is one of its important advantages. This gives dApp developers more freedom and customization, since they may select the consensus mechanism that best suits their needs. Polygon also has an inbuilt governance framework that allows community members to propose and vote on network updates. This enables a decentralized and transparent decision-making process and guarantees that the network remains aligned with its users' requirements. Polygon's ecosystem has grown rapidly in addition to its technological advantages. It has attracted a number of high-profile initiatives and partnerships, including, among others, collaborations with Instagram, JP Morgan, and the decentralized finance (DeFi) platform Aave. Overall, Polygon provides a convincing approach for scaling Ethereum and supporting the network's rising number of dApps. Its cheap transaction costs, flexible consensus mechanisms, and community-driven governance structure make it an appealing alternative for both developers and users. It is now trading at 97 cents and is available on all major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, and many others. By the way, to buy any of the cryptocurrencies mentioned in this video, click the links in the description below. And if you've enjoyed this video so far, a sub to the channel would be appreciated. 3. Cosmos Hub Atom. Cosmos is a decentralized network of separate, parallel blockchains driven by the Tendermint BFT consensus algorithm. The Cosmos Hub, commonly known as Atom, was the first blockchain established on the Cosmos network and serves as the hub or central hub that connects all other blockchains in the network. This enables the movement of assets and data between blockchains, hence facilitating interoperability. Cosmos' primary purpose is to overcome the scalability concerns that plague many current blockchain networks. Cosmos seeks to boost overall network throughput and minimize congestion by allowing for numerous parallel chains. Furthermore, the implementation of Tendermint enables quick and efficient consensus, leading in minimal transaction costs and short confirmation times. The Cosmos Hub employs a native coin known as Atom, which is utilized for governance and as a staking token. Holders of Atom can elect validators on the Cosmos Hub through a procedure known as staking. Validators are in charge of ensuring the network's integrity by verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. The Cosmos Hub is governed by the community, with Atom holders able to vote on proposed network enhancements and adjustments. This enables for decentralized decision-making and keeps the network decentralized and community-driven. The Cosmos Hub also includes an interblockchain communication (IBC) protocol that allows assets and data to be transferred across multiple blockchains on the Cosmos network. This enables more interoperability and flexibility, as well as the ability to seamlessly transfer assets between chains without the need for centralized exchanges. Atom is now trading at $12.70 on Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and other exchanges. 4. Chainlink LINK. Chainlink LINK is a decentralized Oracle network connecting smart contract platforms such as Ethereum to external data sources. The Chainlink network is a decentralized network of Oracle nodes that offer data to smart contracts, allowing them to access off-chain data and act on it. These nodes are run by independent operators who are rewarded by the usage of the LINK token, which is used to pay for data and other services on the network. Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis launched Chainlink in 2017, and the project's initial coin offering, ICO, took place in September 2017. One of Chainlink's primary advantages is that it allows smart contracts to access off-chain data, such as data from external APIs or other decentralized networks. This opens the door to a slew of new applications, including decentralized finance, DeFi apps, prediction markets, and other decentralized applications (dApps). Chainlink has gained popular attention and collaborations with large corporations such as Google, Oracle, and Swift. The Chainlink network is protected by the Chainlink Consensus, a consensus mechanism based on a modified version of the proof-of-stake (POS) consensus algorithm. Oracle nodes are needed to stake a particular amount of LINK in order to participate in the network, and they are paid for delivering accurate data in this consensus method. The Chainlink cryptocurrency, LINK, is used to pay for data and other network services, as well as to encourage Oracle node operators. Chainlink's expanding ecosystem has also drawn a number of high-profile collaborations. Google's collaboration with Chainlink, for example, has seen the tech giant use the network to supply data to its BigQuery service. This collaboration is seen as a significant confirmation of Chainlink's capabilities and has contributed to the project's increased awareness in the blockchain sector. Link is now trading at $6.72 on Binance, Coinbase, DigiFinix, and other exchanges. 5. Mina Protocol. Mina Protocol is a blockchain platform with the goal of creating a more scalable and secure decentralized network. Mina's distinguishing feature is the implementation of a novel consensus process known as proof of space-time (POST), which allows the blockchain to be compacted into a small, succinct non-interactive argument of knowledge of only 22 kilobytes in size. When compared to typical blockchain platforms, this allows Mina to have much better transaction throughput and reduced energy usage. Mina's consensus process makes mining more efficient and decentralized. Mina employs a network of stackers who may participate in the consensus process by donating disk space as collateral, rather than depending on a limited number of strong miners to confirm transactions and add them to the blockchain. This provides for a more decentralized and secure network while also lowering the entrance hurdles for small-scale miners. Mina seeks to create a user-friendly and accessible platform for decentralized apps in addition to its technical advantages. The Mina team has created a variety of tools and resources to assist developers in developing and deploying their own decentralized applications, dApps, on the Mina network. There is a developer site with documentation and tutorials, as well as a number of pre-built smart contract templates that may be quickly adjusted to fit a variety of use cases. Mina's governance approach is another critical feature. Mina governs the network and makes choices regarding its development and direction via a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO. This enables for more open and democratic decision-making, as well as giving community members a direct voice in the project's development. One of the most important applications for Mina is in the realm of decentralized finance, DeFi. The Mina network enables quick, low-cost, and secure transactions, making it ideal for a variety of financial applications. Furthermore, the platform's small size and low energy consumption make it ideal for implementation in mobile and IoT devices, offering up a world of new possibilities for decentralized applications. Mina Protocol also places a high value on privacy and security. The platform employs zero-knowledge proofs to keep users' transactions and data private and safe. As a result, transactions may be confirmed without disclosing any sensitive information about the sender or receiver. Furthermore, the platform's use of snarks enables efficient and safe transaction verification without the need for a massive and energy-intensive blockchain. When compared to typical blockchain systems, the platform's usage of snarks and a novel consensus algorithm allows for substantially better transaction throughput. This implies that Mina can handle a high volume of transactions per second, making it ideal for usage in high-traffic applications like decentralized exchanges and marketplaces. Mina's current price is 54 cents, and it can be traded on platforms such as Binance, Coinbase, MEXC Global, and others.